So I got some questions on a previous video about multicolor prints and what happens when you purge into the infill, and people were particularly concerned with white filament. So I've designed and printed these test prints. This one's for the wall thickness, so you have a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, so you have 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, and 2 mils on that one there. And then you have this one for your top and bottom layers with a 0.2 layer height. So you have 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1 millimeter layer heights. And then this guy over here is just a combination of both and a little bit larger just for easier visibility. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second here. But again, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. And then for your walls, I've just gone with 0.4, 0.8, and a 1.2. And so the way I intended for this to be used is basically just as a gauge there to place up against the color that you want to print underneath, or as your purge filament. And you can basically just make a judgment call as to whether or not you can see enough of that to be happy with the results. So your top and bottom layer, you're actually going to see it quite a ways through. You can see it all the way up through basically all of them to a certain degree. We'll look at some black underneath here. So you can definitely see the outline there. I'm trying to give you the best angle here on the video. But you can definitely see through at least these three here. In person, and starts to be pretty opaque on the fourth and fifth here. And then you do the same thing with the walls, and you can put it up against here, and you can see the outline with one wall, two, and you kind of lose it on the three. But you can print this part in whatever color you're intending to use as your exterior color, and then put it up against the colors that you want to print inside, and you can see if you can see through them or not. This is pretty low filament usage, so that's kind of nice too. And then the last test you can do is you can shine it up at a light, and that's really going to be your worst case scenario, is shining it up at a light and putting that part behind it. And you can see clearly that the top and bottom layers, you can see all the way up till the fifth one with no problem at all. And this is just orange. If you use the black, again, very clearly see what's underneath there. And for the walls, similar result. There you go. That part will be in the description on my printables profile. And I hope you get some use out of these parts and that they help you out in making your color choices. I'll see you in the next one.